Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the April 2026 Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box to share with you all today. I'll put a link in the description box below to the page on the Potomac Beads website where you can go and read about both of their subscription boxes and sign up if it's something that you're interested in. I'm going to see what the theme is here. April Showers. The April Showers Treasure Box captures the refreshing clarity of a spring downpour, blending the translucent shimmer of acrylic clouds with a lush landscape of blues and greens. This collection is inspired by the interplay of light and water, inviting you to use the included rings to handcraft delicate droplets that fall gracefully from the clouds. With a sophisticated mix of turquoise, silver, and gray, this box feels like a modern treasure hunt through a rain-washed garden. And then on the back it has everything that's in the box. And there's a little peek that says Cloud and Drops. That's neat. You make your own little cloud and put some little raindrops under them. It says that's a free gift. There's some knotting cord. Oh, that's pretty blue. Hold on, I'll sort everything out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now, and first I have some Athena Cast Peter spacer beads. It doesn't say what the size is, but they're pretty good sized. And they're very pretty. Really pretty spacer beads. And there's 6 of those. And then next are some check glass faceted round beads. The color is black diamond and they're 8 millimeters. These are really pretty. Really pretty beads. And then next are some 2 check glass, pewter metal buttons, flower vortex. They're 16 millimeters. And these are really pretty. They're little shank buttons. The back is with the shank. Those are really pretty. Put that little flower in there. And then next are some 6 millimeter Potomac pearls. And the color is pewter. Those are just really pretty. I love their pearls. They're such good quality. And then next is a Potomac Crystal Bicone mix. It says Caribbean Beaches. And they're 4 millimeters, and they've got some little tassels on the end there. You could probably use those little tassels to make some earrings or a pendant or something. All these pretty colors of bicones. It's really beautiful. And then next are some 11-0 Azuki seed beads. The color is metallic blue iris matte. Those are really pretty. A whole big tube of them. And then next are some check glass 8mm swirl beads. It's really pretty. Got all those colors in them that we've seen already, especially in those bicones. They're really, really pretty. And then next is the BeadTech knotting cord that I saw. The color is navy. It's 0.8mm and there's 15 meters. That's a really pretty cord. It's really, really pretty. And then next is a Potomac crystal Rivoli. It says Mystic Burgundy and it's 18mm. It's just really, really gorgeous. That's what the back looks like. Just so pretty. Next are some check glass round trio beads. The color is pastel petrol. They're 6mm. Of course, the round trio beads have 3 holes in them there. I can get one turned. I don't know if I can get one turned around there where you can see all 3 holes or not, but they're all right next to each other. Those are really pretty. Beautiful color. And then next are some mini duo beads. The color is blue metallic suede. So these are little tiny versions of the super duos. It's just another beautiful color of blue. Really, really pretty. And then next are some check puffed oval beads. I don't know what color they are. It says turquoise, but it cuts off, so I don't know exactly. Might be turquoise swirl or something. They've got that little swirl in them. All goes through there like that. And naturally, I've got a eye pin that's not entirely straight. There we go. Really, really pretty. And then next are some check glass square beads. They're black diamond and they're 9mm. There we go. Another interesting, different shape. And then next are some Potomac crystal briolets. The color is Crystal AB. And they're 6 by 12mm. Of course, the briolets have the hole in the top, like that. Just really pretty. And then next are some jump rings. These are open 6mm 21 gauge dark silver. Oops. I'm going to spill them. They're already open, so all you got to do is close them. And then next is some ear wires. This is a mixed pack of ear wires. There's 2 silver and 2 gold, and there's the little backs that go with them, and then there's some wire guardians in there. So they've got you all covered to make some earrings with these. Really pretty. Got the little ball at the bottom there. And then next are the cloud and raindrops that I saw when I was first opened it up. You've got 2 clouds and 3 raindrops for each one, so you could peel that backing off and I guess make you some earrings or a pendant or whatever you wanted to make with them. They're really neat, really cool. And then there's this little free gift that was in there. It says Daffodil. Daffodils are blooming is the color. That's the name of the mix. Daffodils are blooming. Got some little flower beads in there and some little yellow hearts and some of those green, I think those are the bibo beads. And then those little flat yellow beads there. It's a really pretty mix. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the April 2026 Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box called April Showers. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description box below to the page on the Potomac Beads website where you can go and read about both of their subscription boxes and sign up if it's something that you're interested in. I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.